Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have an ingenious solution for you if you're trying to ice your foot or your ankle. So you know that when you've injured your foot or your ankle and you need to place an ice pack on it, how difficult it is to get the ice pack to fit on that part of the body because it's just an awkward situation, especially with the ankle. This is an ice pack that is specifically designed to fit your ankle, the lower part of your leg, and your foot. This ice pack is from REVIX. Now, it fits comfortably as if you're putting on a shoe. It comes in a 2-pack and you can wear them on either foot. The straps are long and stretchy. The interior is a super soft and comfortable, almost velvet feel to it. But if you wanted a more intense cooling, you can simply turn the entire thing inside out and use the vinyl side of the cooling pack. It comes with 3 straps that are very flexible. I love the fact that this ice pack from REVIX is made to fit such an awkward part of the body, but it's comfortable, flexible, and adaptable. It has a flexible gel even when it's been in the freezer overnight. The material is incredibly soft and it's reversible. So if you want to have the soft side against the foot, or if you want to have the much colder vinyl side, you just can flip it inside out. I highly recommend this flexible ice pack for your foot and ankle from REVIX. You can wear it on either foot. It stays cold for a long time. It's very comfortable and it's reversible depending on how intense you want the cold to be. It's everything you want in an ice pack for your foot and ankle, and that is my point of view.